How to share your Wi-Fi connection by QR code on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and then tap on connections. In here, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the left hand side panel. Then in here, tap on the settings icon right next to your Wi-Fi. And then tap on QR code at the bottom here. Next, you need to put in your PIN. And here, this is the QR code. Now you can tap on save as an image. Once you have the Wi-Fi QR code image, you can then share the image via Messenger, you can email it, or you can share it via a special link. Or you can tap on quick share, and this will create a special link. It will upload your image to an online server, and from there you'll be able to let them download your Wi-Fi image or the QR code image. So here say share to devices nearby. So if there is another device nearby, you can tap on it to share, or you can share it to a contact. So here tap on view contact, and in the list of contacts you can share it. So select a contact that you want to share. So and here it's preparing. So just wait for it to presumably upload the image to the server. And here's for some reason it's a cancel, so I'm going to tap on it again. And now you can see it's uploading, so it's uploading and then sent to that contact. And that's it. So that is how you can share your Wi-Fi QR code. So here say share using QR code, and I can copy the link. It is uploaded to this special address here on the Samsung Cloud. And that's it. So that is how you can share your QR code. Just going to tap on the back key. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.